Now we'll look at factoring the sum of cubes. The pattern's primarily the same. The only difference is the first sign and the middle sign. So let's go ahead and look at an example and do one of these right now. So we have r cubed plus 27. So again, the first thing we're going to do is to determine what cubed gives us r cubed, and then determine what cubed gives us 27. We know that r to the third power is the same thing as r cubed, and we know also that 3 to the third power, or 3 cubed, are 27. So now we follow the pattern. So we have r. Now this time our sign is plus, since it's factoring the sum of cubes. So it'd be r plus 3. And now let's follow the pattern. We square that first term, so this becomes r squared. Now these signs have to always be opposite. Since this is a plus, our middle sign will be minus, and it's the product of these two. So 3 times r is 3r, and it's always plus, and we're squaring the last term, and 3 squared are 9. So our answer would be the quantity r plus 3 times the quantity r squared minus 3r plus 9. Again, we have the sum of cubes. We have 27z cubed plus 125. So our first step is to determine what cube gives us 27z cubed. And that would be 3z to the third power, or 3z cubed, because 3 cubed are 27, and z to the third power is z cubed, and it's a plus sign in between. So now we determine what cubed gives us 125, and that would be 5, because 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. Now we follow our pattern. We start by writing these two. They make up our first factor, 3z plus 5. And now we square the first term, so 3z times 3z is 9z squared. Since this is a plus sign, these have to be opposite, so this is minus. Then we multiply these two together. 3z times 5 is 15z. Then our last term squared, so we do 5 times 5, which is plus 25. So our answer would be the quantity 3z plus 5 times the quantity 9z squared minus 15z plus 25.